Dear friends, welcome to my EduDreams. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share and like so that you will get more updates. How to improve academic writing. Top 12 tools for writers. This is the presentation by Dr. Syed Hayat Basha, Assistant Professor of Education, AMU Malappuram Center, Kerala. Top 1 tool, Grammarly. It helps to make your writing error-free and effective. Hemmingway Editor to get a readability score. Google Doc to write and store on Drive. Yoast SEO to optimize your content for search engine. Daily Page to build a writing habit. CoSchedule to write better headlines. Answerthepublic to generate content ideas. BuzzSumo for content research. Notion to make notes. QuiltBot artificial intelligence based paraphrasing tool. Copyscape plagiarism checker. Ginger software context based corrections. So friends, these are the top 12 tools which helps for academic writing and the writers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my EduDreams.